It'll be more funny because you missed everything.
Want us to come around again? We can do it.
Dude, let's retake it. One more.
Hey, dude, we're always reenacting. Are you down?
Yeah.
Should we redo it?
This is gonna be the intro though.
This is gonna be the intro. Alright, let's do it. Hey, don't worry, we'll do it again. We'll do it again. See you later.
Oh! Oh!
I got my skateboard. What's up, bro?
What's up, man?
We finally meet.
What's up, bro?
Camera guy.
What's up, buddy?
What's up, bro?
Oh, the two filmers. What's good, Jordan? You guys got the coolest house on the block. Oh, this looks way cooler in person. Yo, hey, can I drive one of these?
I want to drive this one.
This one?
Yeah.
Soda. He's gonna take your car.
Beam into your car.
Sweating.
You didn't turn the AC on?
You have AC?
No.
Bro, I was gonna say, man, that's fucked up. Bro, what are you doing? Bro, give him back his keys.
I think I might have got boogers on it. I didn't feel hurt.
You know what I mean? As soon as you talk about it though,
Hi. That's my #1 fan right there.
oh, is she your fan?
No, I don't know.
Bro, we live next to an elementary school.
Me too. Elementary school's right there.
You guys are us, but with cooler cars and a better editor. He's only edited 3 videos. He's never edited.
It's good, dude. Keep it up.
Everybody looks hella cool. Yo, some of y'all look hella mean though, and then as soon as your guys' mouth opens, oh, these guys are just like,
That's gay for sure.
Yeah.
oh yeah. What's up, dude?
What's up, man?
Super sick.
This is getting nuts.
Thomas got nuts.
I got nothing. For about 11 years.
11 years?
Yeah, dog. It's my first drift car.
Really?
First
This is your
one.
first drift car?
First one, dog.
Sick, dude.
My first drift car, I crashed.
Hey, it happens. It happens.
Buddy, I was just watching vlogs. This was when I first found out about vlogs.
Yeah.
I was like, dude, these are kind of lame. People watch this? I didn't know what a vlog was.
Yeah.
I was watching people just walking around, you know,
Yeah.
and there's so much like time wasted. I was
Yeah.
like, dude, if we're gonna make a vlog, we gotta do it right.
Yeah.
Let's make it fun. We're gonna cut out like any pause between us talking. I cut all of that out.
Yeah, it's his special.
Exactly. No, I see it. That's why, like you as a filmer, that you kind of encourage me to get another filmer. I run my whole brand. I do literally
Did you
everything
used to edit?
until like 2 weeks ago.
Really?
I did all the editing. I do all the designs. I
can't do
do
it.
everything, bro. Full time. I guess you could say dad. I take care of my little brother.
Oh, okay.
And it's just like having him on board helps so much.
Oh, it's the best. I mean, it helps so much. I honestly wouldn't do it without Jordan.
yeah.
Like, he was just like, bro, I will film your life every day. I
That's
don't
sick.
care, 'cause
This
he
is
just-
the man right here.
Dude,
He's
he literally
super
just
important.
flew in from Philippines. He lived there for 10 years. He has his engineering degree.
I literally
Keep doing YouTube, bro.
Yeah.
He was working on his car. I was like, dude, let me just film you.
Yeah, bro. I like that, dude.
Yeah.
You guys are killing it. Keep it up. Yeah, do you guys want food or anything?
Food run.
Anybody? Tacos? Don't be shy.
If you guys bring food, I'll eat it. I don't
Okay, yeah. Should we just come up with a random number or what?
Whatever, dude.
40?
I can-
200.
We'll count everybody, and then we'll multiply by X
Two
amount.
tacos each.
Let's do 3.
Three
some
tacos
people,
each?
some people are bigger, some people are smaller. I think 3 is solid. Hi. One day I'll win her heart. I bought this lens. I went to Canada. We went biking. like tandem bikes, like 3 people. We're going hella
Dropped
fast.
it.
Flew out of my pocket, cracked the lens. I had to buy another one.
No.
Yeah, but I gave it to my boy and he fixed it for like $200.
I would kill you, Jordan. Dude, he drops the camera so much.
Yeah, really?
I'm like, this is $3,000.
It's cool. It happens though, but it is what it is.
We got a new vlogger. Dang.
Oh, what's
I
the
want
channel?
Jordan to be in it.
She's learning for when Jordan quits and moves to Japan.
I told her I'm leaving at 300. Oh, wait, is he gonna go to Japan?
He's gonna move to Japan. So
What?
He's starting his own channel.
Oh, so what are you then?
Dude, this is my backup
Are you
right
guys-
here.
are you guys
She's
hired?
taking notes, bro.
Backup.
She's
I'm
taking
gonna
notes right now.
try.
It's full time, man.
Yeah.
This is a full time job. YouTube is not easy, guys.
It's not. Everybody's like, yo, I'm starting YouTube now. You look like you're living life. Dude, it's hard. I'm losing hair. Hey, these guys saw the creativity has to be there.
Yes, it
that was fun. We just met them for like 5 minutes. Hey, let's do this. Throw it into my ass.
Already making movies, dude.
Dude, imagine one day we're in a movie. That'd be sick. The slow and
Never
serious.
know where this can go.
Dude, I can imagine just like the last Fast and Furious movie, just the YouTubers in the background. Oh, one of those. Like a 5-second. That would be sick, right? Yo, if you guys think that would be cool, go email them. I don't know. Let's make this happen. Everything we've ever said, we spoke it into existence. Did you think this was gonna happen?
No, I didn't.
Well, I knew this was gonna happen. I was like, let's go drift, bro. We made it happen. The thing keeping your videos all together, though, like from what I can see, is the really good edits and the cool cars.
It's this guy right here,
Boom,
man.
right there. Turn the camera around.
Yeah, I'll show you what it looks like at the bottom.
Oh, really? With the lower. So it gives you guys time.
Oh,
28th would be a Friday.
If we do the 28th, we can leave Thursday.
We can go in the back.
Okay,
Little table.
The back.
Yeah, let's go in the backyard.
There we go. The table right here.
I feel like family already.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Crazy car.
That looks like a good paint job.
Yeah, it is.
I got something to do later.
Oh, we're good. Thank God.
You're not good.
No, it's not dented, it's scratched. The wheel was backwards and I pressed the gas to get away and I hit it twice.
Look worse.
Dude, this is scratched.
We were just talking about your nice paint too.
Yeah, I was like, yo, how much is this paint job?
I'm using this.
Josh, is this your quarter?
Oh, that looks so much better. I'm not gonna hit the car. It's just like, it's not stopping. Bro, my leg is stuck in there. Fucking God, this fool just started panicking. It's hella weird. Try it, yeah?
Just trying to repair this.
I feel like if I were to spin out, I wouldn't be able to stop and I'd hit something. Oh, we went to the GTR. All right, I'm on. Thanks for having us today, man. Are we annoying you guys? Should we leave?
Leave when you want, bro.
All right, I'll see you guys in the morning.
Just kidding.
No, I'm just kidding. Start the next vlog in the morning. Wake up in his bed. Oh,
robe and the coffee cup. Just in his boxers. What are you guys working on today?
I was just naked.
Dude, look at this. Hey, Justin, are you taking notes? Look at my man over there hiding in the corner filming, God. But every time I'm looking, he's just like this, waiting for me to do something dumb. All right, boys. Thanks for having us today, man. Later, boys. Nice meeting you guys. You guys are nice to meet you up.
Thank you.
Yeah, nice meeting you, brother. Hey, did I follow all you guys on IG?
Alright, guys. See you guys. See you, cameraman. Good job today.
Nice meeting you, man.
Nice meeting you too, bro.
Yeah, easy. Nice meeting you guys. See you, Jordan.
Sounds like the 28th, right?
Nice meeting you, bro.
Guys, this is the start of something new. I just found us, but we're in SoCal. That's crazy. Nice meeting you. Thanks for letting me drive your car. Later, bro. Later, Jordan. Thanks for making dope videos. Later. Later, guys. Tell everybody we said bye. You guys are way cooler than your videos.